How did I go from this to this? Today, I'll be making traditional Jamaican Sunday dinner. Let's go. Traditionally, Jamaican Sunday dinner entails rice and beans with chicken or curried goat, oxtail, and some fruit juice, homemade fruit juice. So today I'm doing jerk chicken with my rice and beans. So I start off with my coconut milk, water, my spices, scallion, thyme, scotch, bonnet, pepper, pimento seed, and then I'll just let that boil with the red kidney beans. Once it's boiled and taste acceptable, then I add my rice and cover it up, let it do its thing. Then I move on to my jerk chicken. So the grill's heated and I went to go ahead and put on my jerk chicken that was sitting down for 24 hours marinating, so you know that flavor is nicely seeped all the way in. So I check on it periodically, make sure it's not burning. Once I get a nice good color on all sides, I transfer it from the bottom surface and put it on the top rack, and turn the grill down a little bit and just let it sit there and do its thing. And then I'm gonna move on to my salad. So I start with some fresh romaine lettuce, nicely washed, of course, chopped with my cucumbers, bell peppers. I like to use all three colors, red, green, and yellow. Didn't have any green ones today, but anyways, went ahead and julienne those up with some purple onions and tomatoes. I like the baby tomatoes. Those, for me, they taste a little bit better. But anyways, I chop that all up and then toss it all up. Make sure it's nice and dry in my spinner, in my salad spinner. And then voila, I have me a nice, beautiful bowl of salad ready to go to complement my meal. So yeah, there you go. Look at all them colors, man. All right, so next thing I'm gonna do is move on to my juice. So today I'm making carrot and beetroot. And so first, strip my carrot, wash it, chop up my beet, and then I'm just gonna blend it all in the blender with some water. I'm using the Ninja blender. It's actually pretty good. I've been using this for a couple of years now. It's pretty solid. Anyways, pour some fresh water on, then go ahead and blend that, give it a nice blend. I usually do it for, I don't know, I let it run for about 3-4 times because I want to make sure it's nice and smooth. Once it's nice and smooth, I go ahead and strain that off. I don't know if you can see, but I'm using 2 strainer, a very fine one at the bottom. That way I just have to strain it one time. All right, once it's all strained, I sweeten with condensed milk, and then you're gonna see that red transform into a nice, I don't know what you can call, I guess pink, and voila, there you go. Dinner is served. Jerk chicken, rice and peas, and carrot juice. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. And see you in the next video. Bye.